This is Bakke vs. Regents of the University of California by Ali Hussein and Ryan Spalding, and it occurred on June 26, 1978. Some facts about this case are that Alan Bakke was a 35-year-old white man who got rejected by the medical school at UC Davis twice. Bakke had received a 72 on his MCAT, while the average score on the MCAT for a special program applicant was a 33. His GPA and test scores were significantly higher than the minority students that were admitted, but the school had reserved 16 spots for minorities. Bakke claimed that this was unfair, and when he took it to court in California, he won the case. So then the college decided to take it to the Supreme Court. Bakke claimed that it violated the Equal Protection Clause under the 14th Amendment because he said discrimination was put into play when they were deciding on the applications, and that was unfair.
In the 5-4 majority rule decision, the Supreme Court ruled against the University of California, saying that it's not okay for the school to judge based on race. And the dissenting opinions were that schools could judge their applicants based on race as long as it's trying to promote educational diversity, but also that there are other criteria that they're looking at.
Although the Supreme Court had allowed it, in 1996 California banned the state's use of race as a factor to consider in public schools admission policies, and after this a lot more cases concerning affirmative action would be brought to the Supreme Court. Some of the problems that we face is that we didn't have enough time to meet up and record because Ryan wasn't here for 2 days and I wasn't here for one day. And there's not really a solution to this. We just have to be at school. And also, there wasn't many details on our case online. So our solution was this was just to look up every source we could find.